The energy transition is one of the biggest challenges we are all facing today. Therefore, we are cooperating with universities like the XU University to develop great solutions and products that fit our customer needs.
The future of the energy sector is going to be shaped by innovation, sustainability and collaboration. Universities like the XU Exponential University of Applied Science play a crucial role in finding the next generation of digital talents.
It's great to have fun while developing ideas to solve this challenge together, and having all these different perspectives here and the different ideas to really develop the best solution for all of us to make the energy transition happen.
And I am excited and looking forward to what E.ON and XU can create together when it comes to new solutions for a sustainable future.
We are planning to do more such collaborative projects in the future, so if you have a cool idea for a collaboration, then reach out to us.
So I am from Mauritius Islands, where we face the direct consequences of climate change, so sustainability is very important to us for our future. Working with E.ON has really changed my perception about how we can use technology to make green energy not just sustainable, not just an alternative for fossil fuel, but also fun and interactive. It's not about just switching to green energy, it's about being part of something bigger.
Energy is an essential part of our daily life, yet we often take it for granted. This project made me realize how much it shapes our daily life experiences and how crucial it is to use it wisely. It gave me a deeper appreciation for smart energy solutions and their potential to empower individuals while promoting sustainability. More importantly, it reinforces the need to advance energy technologies to make more user-friendly and accessible for everyone.
I always thought of energy sharing as a quite boring topic, thinking about bills and other stuff. However, working on the project together with E.ON, I learned a lot about energy fundamentals, and trying to improve the state of energy sharing in Germany together with E.ON was a great opportunity and made me realize how interesting the topic can actually be.